super utility trailer that Bigfoot just came out with. I never really wanted to get into the utility trailer business because of the fact that the name of the game in the utility trailer business is literally to build it as light as you possibly can and as cheap as you possibly can so that you get the sale. Customers that have been begging us for the trailer are actually looking for something that's commercial duty quality, and that's what we brought to the table today. We don't offer this as with 3,500 pound axles like all the other utility trailers. It starts out with 6,000 pound axles, and then there's the 7,000 pound axle option. This is a 10K, and then we have it as a 14K. In both cases, you have a heavy duty spring-loaded ramp that's going to allow you to be able to load a zero-turn mower, a little push mower. You could put on a farm tractor, load a skid steer, mini excavator. If it's made to go on this weight class of trailer, you can load it with this ramp. We have solid steel walls, which adds a lot of strength to the frame instead of having the mesh that just turns into a rust bucket. We have heavy duty angle iron side rails. On the 10K, we have 4x3. On the 14K version, we use 3x5 1/4-inch thick angle iron, not 2x2 angle like you see on a cheap utility trailer. Yeah, we use heavy duty in-house made fenders, not the little 14 gauge fenders that everybody else uses. These are 1/8-inch plate steel that we fabricate in-house. The axles are Dexter Axels, like on all of our trailers, with forward self-adjusting brakes, their best brake option. Just because a trailer has Dexter brakes or says that it has Dexter axles does not mean that it has self-adjusting brakes like our trailers have. The manufacturers have to order from Dexter the axles built the way they want them built. Ours are built with their very best features. Easy lube adjustment, easy lube I should say, self-adjusting brakes, all that good stuff is on all of our axles, and it's always on all 4 wheels. They have slipper springs, not the little double eye springs that everybody else uses on the light duty utility trailers. Our tail lights are square tubing fabricated, not little stamped metal pieces that a light's attached to that just gets knocked off the first time you touch something with it. I'll show you guys how the ramp goes down so smoothly. You're gonna have a hard time finding a trailer with this heavy duty of a ramp that you can pick up with 2 fingers. Everything on it's heavy duty. Made to last, made to not give you any trouble.